This used to be my dad's desk. It used to be bigger than I was born, and half of it's gone, and it's now my diaper trash can. Tonight I'm reading from a storybook he left in here for me. It's Robin's Pathologic Basis of Disease. Except the dish. I'm in the middle of chapter 17, GI. This here is a picture of a trichobezoar. I think the moral of the story is, don't eat your hair. And this one, I'm not sure what it is. I'm done with this book. I'm gonna read 2 chapters from Mosby's Upper Extremity Netters, Dubin's Eckages, and this one. I think it has something to do with skin. Anyways, I better get going. It's gonna be a long